This is the Pioneer. It's a beautiful AMOLED screen smartwatch. Slight twist of the wrist, lights up a beautiful, colorful face. You got all kinds of controls on this one. Bluetooth calling. It'll stream music from your phone to the watch as well. A lot of range in its overall brightness and super bright outside. You've got twist your wrist to see the time, a built-in very bright flashlight that you can take control over, and more. You can install all kinds of different things in here in your control panel and take other things out, contour it just the way you want. When you come over here, you get notifications sent from your phone, and if you go up, you get everything. Check this out. You've got your step count information. Go in here, and now you've got more details, and tap here, and you can get even a complete breakdown by hour of everything going on. When you go here, you got a music player that you can activate. Again, paired to your phone, you can stream music. You've got heart rate in here, and you'll see your resting heart rate, your current, and you get more details on that. Same with blood oxygen, blood pressure, stress, hourly. Yeah, it goes on and on. Your overall emotions are predicted by this one. You've got weather in your area and forecast information when you go into it. Alarms, last night's sleep information and details, including settings that you can have notification when it's time to go to bed. Workout records, if you have any, are there. Ladies, your cycle information. And you have a stopwatch that will run in the background built into it as well. And all of this you get to simply by swiping up. But if you want to get into the apps individually, you press the side button. You got your overall settings, all of the stuff that you can do, from changing watch faces to contouring the always-on display. We go into a lot of detail on that on the full app. Women's health is in here. All these things we've seen. You got a calculator, breathing exercises, your voice assistant for Siri or Google. Yeah, all kinds of measurements, your calling area where you have call logs, a keypad. You can even set up an SOS contact for the watch if you want to. And you've got a bunch of different watch faces. They don't change when you twist the dial, so they won't accidentally switch on you. But you can press and hold the screen, and you can switch them out to any one that you'd like. Really advanced, edge-to-edge, very nice, very thin, very lightweight, adventurer's smartwatch with a rubberized band that's removable, 22 millimeter. Yeah, very, very nice device. Again, it is called the Pioneer. Check it out.